Hey guys, how's it going? Yuli here, and today we have another video on Strapi, and in this one I will show you how to connect Strapi to Cloudinary. If you watched my previous video where we set it up with Mongo Atlas and Heroku, I talked about the issue where if your project is deployed to Heroku, the data gets reset. Even if you followed that video and have set up Strapi and Mongo Atlas, if you want to store images, you will want a third-party service to store them on. Otherwise, they will not be saved. And this is where Cloudinary comes in. Cloudinary is a cloud-based image and video management platform, but today we're going to use it only for image storage purposes. Cloudinary is not the only provider that you can hook up to Strapi, AWS and Google Cloud Storage being the two other popular solutions. And the connection methods are almost identical, and I will link an article on how to connect all three in the description. Alright. With all that out of the way, let's get started. Here I have a local install of Strapi, and in my collection types I have two posts with a title, description, and an image field. Now let's upload an image to see how Strapi handles image uploads by default. Let me just get this image. Sure, let's add it here as well. And let's go into posts and see what it looks like. Now here you can see that it provides kind of a local URL, which if you upload this to Heroku, after probably 24 hours or so, it's going to get reset. And this is where Cloudinary comes in. Now all we want from Cloudinary, I already have my account set up. All we want is this cloud name, API key, and the API secret. That's all we need. And to make Cloudinary your default image uploader is essentially just two steps. First of all, we need to install this Strapi Provider Upload Cloudinary plugin. So we're gonna copy this, stop the server, and install it with npm. Alright. It is installed. Let's run the server again. And the second step is we need to create a configuration file for this upload plugin. Now what we want to do is we want to go to extensions and we want to create a folder called upload. And in that folder we want to create a folder called config, and in the folder config we want to create a settings.json file, and in this file is where we're gonna keep this connection information from Cloudinary. I'm just gonna paste in our settings, don't mind this is fine, and here we want to paste in our cloud name, our API key, and our API secret. Now, normally you would want to use environment variables to hide your API keys, but I'm not overly concerned about this random setup. But if you are pushing a real production app, you should probably hide those keys. Now let's save this and restart the server. Alright, now let's deploy this to Heroku and see what it looks like live. Alright, I'm gonna come back when it is all done building up and we will see what Cloudinary links look like. Alright, our app is all done being built up. Now let's open it and see what we're dealing with. let's go into our admin. And let's, first of all, you see already it has broken image links, and this is exactly how your image links would look like if Heroku did the whole reset server thing. It would think that there is an image, but there actually wouldn't be one. So let's go ahead and delete those and re-upload them with our new Cloudinary upload. All right, let's get an image. And let's go into our posts and see if there's any difference. And here they are. We can see that we are using Cloudinary. We are using Cloudinary to host our images. So instead of what we had here, which is this local looking link, we have a link to Cloudinary, which is not going to get erased or reset when it is deployed to Heroku. And that is pretty much it. We have Cloudinary as our default image uploader. Now remember, if you want to use AWS or Google Cloud Storage, the setup method is almost identical, and I will detail it in the blog post in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.